Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. If you're new here, please subscribe, ring the bell, do all the stuff, share our information. We're trying to grow the channel. Another one in the vertical up, vertical down category. And why do I say that? Well, you see, we've gone vertical in the last couple days. We went a little vertical. Let me spread this out. See, here was another vertical in only a couple days. That's not the most egregious one. This stock tends to go vertical. Why do I say that's not the most egregious one? Because at one point we have this move. And here's a prime example. So we formed a nice long base, launched up over a period of, 1, 2, 3. Then we filled the gap, and then we turned back down to that base, launched up again, and then look how long it just drifted lower and lower and lower and lower and lower until it went down to 5 cents. Then it bounced all the way up to 3.40, coming back, to around $1, and now it's gone vertical again. So if you are trading this, be very, very careful. So if you were using this old from the key low to this 340 high, that gave you a 382 and 424. You see it nearly closed there on Friday, not quite getting that 424, but then gapping way above it today. Again, vertical up, vertical down. Don't know when it's going to stop. This is already incredibly overbought. If it does continue above 723, 813 and 903 are the next major prices. You can also then, again, this is a weekly chart, so that's where it closed last week. This is weekly because I'm trying to show you the longer term perspective. So it traded up to this key resistance area. If we get above there, you can see this level coming over with this spike high, and then above there we're really starting to target right around $11. So if it goes through 9, you're going to watch 11. Let me get down to the daily. Here's your daily. So the daily rotation zone all the way back at about 364. We'll take a look at the 4 hour, see where the first support there is. All right, so your 37.5% retracement, and again, we use harmonic levels, 8 harmonics instead of fibs. So if we started pulling down, if we get below 633, I'm going to be watching for 544. Then I'll be watching for this key opening price coming in at $5. Below that, if we drop below 5, I'll be targeting 454, and then I'll be targeting the gap fill. The gap fill is to this key close at 391. Now keep in mind, that's even before the rotation zone. So this thing, just to return to the daily rotation zone, would have to return to about the 371. So it could easily fill this gap, vertical up, vertical down. It can keep going higher. Not saying it's not, but if you're new or you're trading these riskier kind of stocks, you can have the abrupt reversals. I've already shown it. I've shown it in other examples. I've shown it in this stock. So know where you're getting out, and don't just keep adding to something that's going down, because it can start accelerating faster than you think. But those are the upside levels and the downside levels for anybody trading IBIO, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.